Hi everyone, welcome to codeAYD. Today we will be starting our Making iOS Apps in Swift series, where we will look at Xcode and how to make your very first iOS app. We'll start off with an introduction to Xcode, where we go in depth as to the Xcode layout and how to create your first project. Then we'll start creating an interface with labels, buttons, and all sorts of different views. Then we'll start coding with Swift to get our views functional, and then we'll connect the interface to our code. We'll then do a first project, which is the times tables app that we'll build, before we go into some more advanced coding and some more projects later down the path. What you should expect from this project is that you'll be able to go from a beginner to actually know what you're doing. You won't be completely employable, but you'll have enough skills that you can go somewhere from here. In order to do this course, there's a few things you're going to need. You're going to need Xcode, which is a basic download from the macOS App Store. It does use a little bit of space on your computer, a fair few gigabytes, but once you do all that, you'll have more than enough tools to be able to do this course. You don't actually need an iPhone or an iPad to complete this course because Xcode comes with simulators, which you'll be able to test it on. If you want to, we'll go through also how to connect it to your iPhone. So that's the introduction, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.